Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Diana Octavia SPD MA as the lecturer in this Introduction to Educational Linguistic class today, and thank you so much for all of my friends to attending this presentation today. So we are from Group 4, and today we will present about our material today with the title Speech and Brain. So before we start our presentation today, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ratana Nahaka as the moderator and also presenter, and my friends Niken Pindarosa and Monika Septiana as the presenter. Now, without any further ado, let's start our presentation. I, as the moderator, now will tell about the background of this material first. So, speech is not just the movement of the mouth or vocal cords, it is the result of complex brain processes. And linguistics, especially neurolinguistics and psycholinguistics, it is studies about how the brain can enable humans to produce and understand speech. Without the brain's control, communication would not be possible. Now, the main material will be delivered by my friends Niken Pidarosa. To Niken, the floor is yours.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. The next material is the brain and language function. The first is left hemisphere dominance. For most right-handed and many left-handed people, the left hemisphere of the brain is the main center for language. It manages speech production, like how we speak, and grammar, like structure of sentence, and comprehension, like understanding words. For example, when someone answers a question correctly, their left hemisphere process both the understanding of the question and the formation of the answer. The second is right hemisphere role. The right hemisphere does not usually handle grammar, but it is play an important role in the melody and emotion of speech. It helps us understand tone of voice, jokes, metaphors, and a context. For example, if someone says, "Wow, that's just great," sarcastically, the right hemisphere helps you understand that they don't actually mean it is great. Okay, thank you. I will back to the moderator.
Thank you so much, Niken, for the amazing presentation. Now, the second material will be delivered by my friends, Monika Septiana. To Monika, the floor is yours.
Number 3. Key brain areas in speech. Broadcast areas are frontal lobes, located in the left frontal lobe, responsible for producing speech, forming sentence, and articulating words. If damaged, broadcast opposite, people know what they want to say but struggle to speak fluently. They may say only short phrase like "go store" instead of "I want to go to the store." Number 2, we mix area temporal lobe found in the left temporal lobe, responsible for understanding spoken and written language. If damaged, when next are positive people speak fluently but without meaning. Example, the sky funds fades because the blue talks. Number 3, motor cortex. Controls movements of speech organs like the tongue, lips, jaw, and vocal cords. Without it, even if you know the words, you cannot physically pronounce them. Number 4, auditory cortex processes sounds that come into the air. Helps you recognize speech sounds, forms, and distinguish between similar sounds like a P and B. Number 5, angular gyrus involve reading and writing. Reading and writing involve in reading converse written words into meaningful language. If damaged, people might have alexia, difficult reading, or agraphia, difficult writing. Number 4, speech production process. Speech does not just happen, Instantly, the brain goes through several steps. Number one, conceptualization. You first form an idea in your mind. I'm thirsty. Number two, formulation. Your brain chooses the right word and the structures the sentence. Can I have some water? Number three, articulation. Articulation, the motor cortex sends signals to your vocal organs to pronounce the words. Number four, self-monitoring. You listen to your own speech and correct mistakes, like when you mispronounce a word and repeat it correctly. Okay, enough by me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Monika, for the great presentation. Now, we move to the conclusion of our material today, which the connection between speech and the brain is central in linguistics. So, studying these relationships can help us to understand about how humans can produce and comprehend languages, as well as their brain can affect communication. It is also crucial for language teaching, therapy, and neuroscience research. Now we finally reached the end of our presentation today. Thank you so much for all of the audience, my friends, and Miss Diana for attending this presentation today. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.